Hey, it's Rob, Big Green Egg. Today we're going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken two ways. One, with your regular old kitchen knife, and two, your Big Green Egg kitchen shears. We're going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. First, you want to find the backbone, and you're going to find it right here. You're going to identify it, and then you're going to cut down each side of it. The backbone is taken out. We're going to flip over our bird and we're going to crack the breastplate just by sticking your hands on there, almost like you're doing CPR. Okay, now that the breastplate is cracked, we're going to tuck the wings in just like this, and then we're going to season the bird. And some people like to put some butter under the skin. You can put some olive oil on here if you want, or melted butter. Now we're just going to sprinkle on some of our sweet and smoky seasoning here on this one. And on the other one, I'm actually going to sprinkle on some of the Nashville Hot. Okay, now the top's all done. You do want to flip it over, and you do want to get the inside of the bird as well. Okay, this one's got our sweet and smoky on there. Now we're going to do a little Nashville Hot on this one. Okay, now that our birds are seasoned, we're going to put it on the egg, and I got the egg set up at 275 indirect, and I got some of these pecan smoking chips on there as well. So we're going to smoke the chicken at 275 again, indirect on the egg. Okay, our chickens have been on, and now they're at an internal temperature of 165. We're going to burp the egg. Just going to check them real quick. Oh yeah, that looks awesome right there. Okay. I'm going to use my wide spatula. Put these guys on the board here. Whoops. Don't get away from me, buddy. Now I'm going to let these rest, and then we'll cut them into quarters. All right, now that our chicken is rested, I already removed the second one. I put that one aside so I got a little more room on my board to cut this one up. So basically what you're going to do is start cutting these off right here. Get your knife in there, and it'll easily cut off. Now you have all these multiple pieces you can share with everybody. All right, that is our spatchcock chicken smoked on the Big Green Egg. I hope you enjoy this delicious meal in your backyard. For more videos or tips, tricks, you can find them online at biggreenegg.com.